Don't hold any grass. This night time now. It's evening. It's just the straight walking. You follow mommy. Look here. You say hi. Hello. Look at the camera. Hi. Hello. We are walking. Let's go.
Come on, carry you na. No. Stop.
Oh, there's a motor. Stay at the side.
Hold hands. Step inside. You walk properly. What? The motor.